Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I haven't done one of these in a while, and it's kind of gotten away from me. Really kind of surprised me and shocked me, because right now, because I've tried to pare down and not stare at these and watch, but we've passed 25,000 total views, and we are now at 352 subscribers, and the shares have been going up and up and up, and we're at 400 and this is going to be 423. So this is Friday. Things usually kind of die down on Friday, but I just want to tell you guys thank you, because we've blown through 400 videos, still doing one a day. You guys are still watching. You guys are still subscribing. I don't know. I never want to overlook this, miss these milestones, and just tell you how much I appreciate it, because you guys are just making these. Oh, here. You can just see this little track. I think you guys, I get some feedback that you guys kind of like to see how things are going. And this is because of you. This is now the lifetime. So you just see this just going up and up and up and up. And this is because of you. So I want to be as humble as possible, because you guys are what is making this happen. Digging through, giving me feedback, helping me make this channel better. So just thank you. Happy Friday. Just tremendous gratitude. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Share this with somebody who's trying or wanting to learn Python. We'll help them through. Try my very best to answer any comments as quickly as possible, and you guys have helped me make the videos better with just all the feedback. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.